Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport 4x4 featured in Stingray clear coat exterior with a black interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz Jeep in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $44,110. As you can see, it's a soft top. This is a customer request. As we zoom in and get a tight look at the 17-inch aluminum wheels with the all-season radial tires. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Alan. His contact information is listed below. There you can see the full-size spare, LED tail lamps. You can also see the single tow hook. Great look at the running boards on the side of the vehicle. We also have molded in-color fender flares and another look at the disc brakes as well as the 17-inch aluminum wheels. Here you can see the running board. It's a full-length running board. Just love the Stingray color as well. Automatic headlamps, halogen headlamps, front fog lights, deep tint sunscreen, two tow hooks in the front, black Sunrider soft top. As we dive into the interior, we have 60/40 split fold-down rear seats, power heated side mirrors, command track, part-time four-wheel drive. Here you can see the roll cage, 8 speakers throughout the soft top. As we slide out of the back and into the front, we have a 600 amp maintenance-free battery, fuel tank, transfer and transmission skid plates, trailer sway dampening. Great look at the soft top as well as your roll cage, your speakers. Leather wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. It does have the cold weather package, so it's a heated steering wheel. We'll show the functionality of that in a moment. There you can see the gear selector as well as your four-wheel drive selector. Carpeted floor mats throughout. Here's a great shot of the dash from the back seat. You get a door-to-door shot. Here you can see the steering wheel with fingertip controls, the power window controls. The power front windows are power one touch up and down. Power one touch down windows in the front. I'll have someone correcting me in no time. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We want to bring you as much information as we can so you can make an informed decision. There's the speakers that I was mentioning earlier. Again, 8 speakers, Alpine stereo. We'll show that here in a moment. Your cargo area, your back seat. So here's the front seat, the driver's side, with the door open. As we dive in, you can get a great look at the comfortable seats. They're cloth seats with nice bolstering. You need that when you go off-road. You got grab rails or grab handles. Again, the steering wheel, it's a manual tilt telescoping steering wheel. Instrument cluster with your readout for your tire pressure, automatic headlamps, power door locks, power side mirrors. There's the automatic headlamps, your instrument cluster, fingertip controls on your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. So here's the center stack. We'll punch through that. Here's the backup camera. We have park view rear backup camera with dynamic grid lines. Heated steering wheel, climate control. You can control the climate from the touch screen, as I'm doing here, or you can control it from the old school knobs, whichever way you prefer. Universal garage door opener, Alpine premium audio system, cold weather package I said, which consists of heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You can turn your display off, your touch screen off, so it comes in handy when it's at night and your passenger is sleeping. You can also turn on your backup camera without putting the vehicle in reverse. Your additional power ports for your driver and your passenger. Hill start assist, hill descent control, push button start, remote start, Sentry key theft. Here's your key fob, remote keyless entry, air conditioning with automatic temperature control, Uconnect with 7-inch display, vehicle information center, double-decker center console as you see here, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Park Sense rear park assist, your glove box with all your owner's manuals, Turning off the screen there, the backup camera rather. And again, your instrument cluster. So as far as your cargo area is concerned, you open this door and you've got 12.9 cubic feet of storage, 31.7 with the back seats down. There you can see your Alpine stereo speaker. That little bag is your bag for your tools and your parts when you drop the windshield or take the doors off. Additional storage, and then you can put your little the bolts for your doors right there. And as far as the engine goes, it's a 3.6 liter V6 24 valve VVT e-torque engine producing 285 horsepower. Made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering 19 city, 24 highway. You can see all your fluid levels are easy to top off here. That's about all you have to do nowadays. You take your vehicle in for everything else. The iconic badging, grill badging in the headlight, as well as the actual grill. Thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave us a comment.